What's going on, YouTube? Today we're going to talk about the 5 worst mistakes that traders make. And number 1, it's trading without a plan. And that's kind of like getting ready to go out with the homies, not showering, meet a spicy senorita. She asks you to come home, but you smell like ass. I trade the same way every single time. I have my Excel alert, which you can find exclusively at Trade 1348. It has been proven. I live and die by this. I have my entry, and you see this right there. Now, the rule is I get an Excel alert, I wait for the price to break above an EMA, in this case, the 13, then I get paid. Having a plan is absolutely mission critical for you as a trader. Number 2, it's failure to cut losses. It goes red, and you're thinking, it's gonna go up. You go ahead and you start staring at your phone. You start staring at the chart. It's gonna go up, right? No, let me average down. Let me show you. We have an objective exit here. That's my stop loss. This is my danger zone. This box right here, I do not negotiate with it. We use the ATR method to print our trade design systems, and the ATR method is how most professionals set their stop losses. And the way you do that is simply by entering your trade, then getting the ATR value of the previous candle. That ATR value is then subtracted from your entry price. Now you have your stop loss. So moving on to number 3, and that is trading too much. You know, a trader goes ahead and makes some money, and then they think, well, I just need one more trade to reach my goal. Unfortunately, you are at the mercy of the market, and you need to be able to have a plan so you can identify your setups so that you can also identify when to trade, when not to trade. But trading too much will be your downfall. Number 4, having unrealistic expectations. If you're brand new to the markets, you're gonna lose. If you're brand new to the markets, of course you're gonna fascinate in Lambos, hookers, coke. Problem is, that's not real. When you get into trading, the proper mindset is to establish a goal. The goal as a trader is to become a better trader. If by you becoming a better trader, you've only made $100 on the day, great. Maybe tomorrow gives you the opportunity for 200. I need you also to understand, and I share this with my community, that you don't build wealth at the trade level, you build wealth at the port level. So as your port is getting bigger, you're scaling the size of your trades to match it, which means you're only risking 1% of your port and you're looking to make 1%. And then number 5, you spent money on Luxago. You probably spent money at Trade 1348, and we give you indicators. And by the way, fuck Luxago. Those guys, they're just pumping out indicator after indicator and taking advantage of you noobs. I do not ignore my indicators. What we have here is Excel. If I see price action break below Excel, I am then looking to RSI and MACD to understand what is happening. And what we see, a loss of strength here according to the RSI and MACD. So my first read was the break of Excel. My second and third read was my MACD and RSI. Trust your indicators. Let your indicators tell you the story. One more time. Let your indicators tell you the story. The indicators are going to tell you the truth, whereas your emotions are going to lie to you. Your emotions are going to be like, it's going down. Your emotions are, it's running to the moon. The only one in the room telling you the truth are your charts. Also, I want to conclude this video. This is day 3 of the Topstep Trader Funded Challenge. The goal is to get to 9,000. I'm making steady progress. Currently, the value of the port, $154,126.89. Applejacks, make sure you zoom in on that, all right? By the way, Applejacks is my editor. Too pumped. Too much coffee. Peace.